Hey, welcome to the Tech Talk TV. Today we are in the Tesla's car factory. Before we'll dive in, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more tech updates, invention, tech review, and industrial insights. The Tesla's car factory represents a groundbreaking shift in automotive manufacturing by operating as a fully automated facility without any human presence on the production floor. Unlike traditional factories filled with workers, Tesla has implemented advanced robotics and automation, dubbed a cold factory, that manages every stage of car production. This setup leverages cutting-edge technology and sophisticated production lines to ensure efficiency and precision, distinguishing Tesla as a pioneer in intelligent manufacturing. Elon Musk's visionary approach has challenged conventional manufacturing norms, transforming the automotive industry into a model of technological innovation and automation. The factory's highly automated processes, including a pressure production line, exemplify how Tesla integrates futuristic concepts into real-world industrial applications. Reflecting Musk's bold ambition to redefine car making, Tesla's factory operates fully automated with no human workers on the production floor. The facility is known as one of the world's most intelligent and advanced car manufacturing plants. Elon Musk's visionary leadership drives the innovation behind Tesla's production technology. The factory produces vehicles using state-of-the-art robotics and automated production lines. The use of a pressure production line contributes to high manufacturing precision and efficiency. Tesla's approach challenges traditional automotive manufacturing norms. The factory embodies the future of industrial automation and smart manufacturing systems. Tesla's factory eliminates human operators from the production line, signaling a paradigm shift towards complete automation. This reduces manual labor costs, minimizes human error, and accelerates production speed, paving the way for highly scalable manufacturing in the automotive sector. Integration of advanced robotics and AI. Tesla utilizes sophisticated robots and AI-controlled machinery, forming an intelligent network that dynamically manages the entire manufacturing process. This state-of-the-art integration allows for real-time adjustments, optimizing throughput and quality control beyond conventional human capabilities. Environmental and operational impact. The concept of a cold factory, which operates with less heat and fewer environmental emissions due to automation, suggests that Tesla is also prioritizing sustainable industrial practices. By reducing human presence and manual processes, energy consumption and waste may be significantly lowered, contributing to greener manufacturing. Visionary leadership catalyzes disruption. Elon Musk's role as a transformative icon in industrial innovation embodies how ambitious leadership can challenge and overturn entrenched industry practices. His lunatic image underscores a willingness to take risks and push the limits of what's technologically feasible. Precision through technology. The pressure production line mentioned implies Tesla's commitment to tightening manufacturing tolerances and improving assembly integrity. Automation allows for more consistent pressure application and component fitting, enhancing vehicle durability and performance. Scalability and efficiency gains. Automated production capabilities facilitate rapid scale-up and flexibility in manufacturing different Tesla models without substantial retooling. This adaptability frees Tesla from bottlenecks common in traditional factories and positions the company in systems and sustainable methods. Tesla potentially sets a new industry standard that other companies may soon follow to remain competitive in a technology-first economy. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one, and don't forget to like and share.